Hello and welcome to ODYSSEY Battery Tech Tips. I'm Aaron Woodruff, Transportation and Specialty Area Manager for EnerSys, the manufacturer of ODYSSEY batteries. In this episode, I'd like to talk to you about properly and quickly charging ODYSSEY batteries. We've had people ask us in the past, are ODYSSEY batteries difficult to charge? In fact, they're actually easier to charge than a standard lead calcium battery. Part of that reason is they have a very low internal resistance. Now, they'll accept a charge much faster than a standard lead calcium battery, provided you have the right equipment. Now, how long you have to charge your battery really depends on a few things: how deeply discharged your battery is, how long it has been discharged, and how much amperage your charger is capable of putting out. For example, a battery sitting at 11.2 volts, which is 100% DOD, or depth of discharge, and a charger capable of putting out 25 amps will take around 5 hours to completely charge. A battery sitting at that same voltage, but with a charger that puts out 50 amps, will take only 2.5 hours to charge. Now, a battery sitting for a long period of time discharged will take much longer to charge up. A battery sitting in a discharged state builds up sulfation, which makes it very difficult to recharge. It's important that any battery that's been discharged be recharged as quickly as possible. When using a charger on ODYSSEY batteries or any other AGM battery, you want to always be sure you are using an AGM approved charger. You can find a list of ODYSSEY approved chargers at our website at www.odysseybattery.com. AGM batteries, or absorbed glass mat batteries, are built differently than flooded batteries. Flooded battery chargers are capable of exceeding the voltage limitation of AGM, which is 15 volts. Anything over 15 volts for an extended period of time can cause permanent damage to the battery, which could also void your warranty. Characteristics of an overcharged battery are the cases swelling, maybe cracking, or that rotten egg smell. This typically only happens when the voltage is too high. That's why it's extremely important you always use an AGM charger on an AGM battery. This is a newly approved charger that is perfect for the heavy-duty transportation industry. The pack charger. You can use this charger on a single battery or on a pack of up to 8 batteries. One of the nice features that this charger has is its high amperage capability without the fear of overcharging your batteries. Now, before you charge your battery, make sure that your charger is properly grounded to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Remove all personal metal items such as rings, bracelets, and watches when preparing to charge and working near a battery. Never charge a frozen, damaged, or leaking battery. Make sure your clamps are placed on the correct terminals and free of dirt and debris. You'll also want to use terminal adapters like I have here. You can refer to our ODYSSEY Battery Tech Tip video on testing as to why these are important. Now that we've made a good solid connection, it's time to attach our cables. You'll want to take the red cable and attach that to the positive terminal of the battery. And we'll take our black cable and attach it to the negative terminal of the battery. Now that we've created a good solid connection, we're ready to turn the charger on. One of the first things that the pack charger will ask you is how many batteries you're going to charge. In this case, we've selected 1. It's also pre-programmed for different battery technologies. We've selected the ODYSSEY option, and now we're ready to charge. Once the battery has reached a full charge cycle, the best practice is to let it sit for at least 2 hours. Letting the battery rest will scrub off any surface charge it may have. Now you're ready to test. If you have any further questions about ODYSSEY batteries or would like to view other ODYSSEY Battery Tech Tip videos, please visit us at www.odysseybattery.com.